Now we will discuss about what is number system, right? So here the first is number and the other one is a system. The first we will discuss about what is number here. So number, here's number. Number is a collection of digit. So first we have to know the digit, right? So what is digit? In the decimal number system we have know about the digit are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. With the collection of these we can create numbers like this, but it have a condition. If you're trying to make number of 3 digit, we cannot start with 0, right? It is a condition of mathematics. So basically the number is the collection of digit. In this chapter we have learned about basically a decimal number system. So decimal number system. So what is decimal number system? In this we have a number, let's suppose x, and the base should be 10. So it's collection of 0 to 9 as a range, and it's provide 10. That's why it's called the decimal number system. Now in this number system series we have know about some numbers, and basically we are knowing about a different type of numbers, what's number we can use for daily life, and what's improvement which can occur. So first number, that is everybody know, that is natural number, right? So what is natural number? First we have to know about. So basically natural number is something like nature. जैसे कि मान लीजिए आप प्रकृति में अगर कोई सामग्री है, किसी चीज़ को जानना चाहते हैं, तो आप क्या करिएगा? तो काउंटिंग करिएगा, बेसिकली इट्स काउंटिंग, राइट? तो नेचुरल नंबर वही है, काउंटिंग नंबर. तो वी हैव द नंबर शुड बी काउंटेबल, लाइक काउंटिंग नंबर्स. तो काउंटिंग शुड बी स्टार्ट विथ 1, right? 1, 2, 3, something something, going to n. That is natural number, right? The second number is whole number. Whole number basically like पूर्ण संख्या, पूरा होने वाली संख्या है. इफ अगर इधर देखें तो कुछ चीजें मिसिंग जैसी दिख रही है, लाइक जीरो लगभग नहीं दिख रही है. तो अगर अगर यही नेचुरल नंबर में अगर ज़ीरो ऐड कर दिया जाए, अगर नेचुरल नंबर में ज़ीरो ऐड कर दिया जाए, तो जो भी संख्याएं बनेगी उसको बोलते हैं होल नंबर. तो वी हैव टेक द एग्जांपल्स लाइक ज़ीरो विच कैन ऐड विथ द नेचुरल नंबर, right? It's become whole number. The third condition, that is sorry, third number, that is integers. So what is integers? Basically we have know about natural number and whole number. In this we have 0, 1, 2, and that's as n, right? these all number are positive number, right? Positive numbers. If we can add a negative number, that will become the integers. Let's suppose uh, -2 -1 0, sorry, 0 1 2 3 and dash 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 n. And even though here also dash 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 and the negative n, negatively. So here the number should be in a negative form, and here the number should be the positive form. So that is integer, right? Now we will discuss about different type of number system which can use in a number system. Basically a different type of applications like LCM, SCF and other things. So firstly we have to know about all the numbers which can be used in a QR or general aptitude. So apart from that we have a rational number. The rational number. In this there are many problem in this number definition. So we have to know about what's problem in this number. Firstly we have know the first, it should be written, it is written in the form of p y q. Here p y q are variables, so we can use different alpha weight or variable as well as well. Second condition should be p and q are integers. It is mandatory. It should be integers. And third condition, although q does not is equal to 0. So these three conditions should be satisfied for the rational number. Let's suppose getting examples. Let's suppose 1 by 3. Let's suppose that taking this number and we can analyze how it is a rational number or not. The first numerator, here the p compare with 1 and 3 can be compared with q, and we know the, these are integers, right? Integers, these are integers. So second condition should be satisfied, p and q are integer, right? And the third condition, that is 3, does not is equal to 0. It is also satisfied, right? So we can say that it is a rational number. Might be question about, is pi rational number? Basically pi is not an integer, so we can say that it is not a rational number. The confusion might be that uh, that is pi and 22 upon 7 and 3.14. uh, in this question. So it is a rational number or irrational number. This type of problem is basically occurs during the questions in examination. So firstly we have to know about, so y's, that is 22 upon 7, and compare with p and q. So here p is equal to 22 and q is equal to 7, and we know 22 and 7 are integer, right? And the last condition, the 7 should not equal to 0, and these three conditions should be satisfied, and it's satisfied right now. So we can say that 22 upon 7 is rational number. Now 3.14, so we can write as 314 divided by 100, and again compare with p and q. We get p is equal to 314 and q is equal to 100, and p and q are integers, right? And last condition, that is 100, is not equal to 0 as well. So we can say that it is a rational number, while pi is not a integer. So first condition is not satisfied here, so we can say that it is not a rational number. the, by using this we have second definition, that is irrational number. So what is irrational number? So irrational number, same conditions which cannot defined as p by q, and p and q are not integer, and q does not is equal to 0, like root of 2, which can which is not a integer, right? So it can be rational number, irrational number. Irrational number, I can highlight this for your reading habit. So first, again, here we have the idea of natural number, whole number, integer, irrational number, all the things. Now we will learn about what is real number. So what is real number? Real number. Real number nothing but the collection of rational number plus irrational number. That is real number. Nothing more fancy. It is very easy. So rational number plus irrational number will give the real number, right? So we can learn about, we have covered all the things. How in rational number we have like whole number, natural, and integer, right? And irrational number apart from that. So we can cover all the things, and that is all the things comes under the real numbers. Real numbers. It's basically a simple definition of some numbers. Now we will discuss about some more definition of numbers such as prime number, composite number, and let's say here first. Now we will discuss about the prime number. Prime number. So what is prime number? First. So the number, the number which is divided, which is divided divided by 1 and itself. It is called prime number, you know. But here's the condition: numbers should be positive and 1 excluded. So minimum even prime number is basically 2, right? So we can start the prime number with 2. Why? We can say that like 1, take a set divisible by 1 itself. It is not a prime number, we have said. We can say it's 1 and divisible by itself, that is prime number. Let's take 3 as a set. 3 is divisible by 1 and 3, at the 4, and let's suppose 11, and it is also divisible by 1 and itself. So these numbers are called prime numbers, which is divisible by 1 and itself. For examples, started with 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11, etc. But if you if you want to check, is 4 is a prime number, we can say 1 divisible by 1 and divisible by 2 divisible by 4. So by the definition of prime number, it is divisible by 1 and itself, but it is also divisible by 2, so we cannot say it is a prime number. Now we will discuss about the opposite of prime number, that is composite number. So what is composite number? Composite number. So what is composite number? Like that, which number have more than two factor? Which number have more than two factor? Means it is divisible by, it is divisible by more than two numbers other than 1 and itself. Like we can take example of 9. It is divisible by 1 and 3 and 9. So we can see here it is divisible by 1 and itself. Apart from that, it is also divisible by 3. It has the more than two factors, 1, 3, and 9. So we can say that 9 is a composite number. If you want the document of this number, please comment it, comment below. I will send I will send you the text and the word file as well if you want. Thank you.